We begin our update by taking our mannequin and going from the top of the crown forward to the bang, bringing it about an inch across, bringing it straight up, and again from the crown forward to the front, and we're going to over direct that forward, giving us a long layer that preserves the length in the back, the sides too actually. But what we're going to do is diffuse the weight of the cut, giving it kind of a classic layered shape. I will then go through the sides and add a totally different kind of layer. But as we are in this section, I'm going to take my layering one section at a time until I get to the corner of the eyebrow from here, and I'm going to go up as high as the top of the crown, and that's going to be the end of this particular blending line. And then I will go across to the other side and reproduce the same exact effect. I prefer to keep the blade of my shear very controlled so that I'm not bouncing it. I like to get everything as precise as I can so that the cut will hold on for weeks and weeks after it's been done. Keep that shape intact. Same thing, corner of the eyebrow, top of the crown. That's my last section for this part of the cut. Beginning in the back, I'm going to go from the top of the back of each ear straight across. I'm going to bring that section straight back to me and then elevate it up and then take off the desired amount. How much you're taking off for this particular cut is entirely up to you and the client. As I do that, I go through and I take another section, bring it on up, clean out the line, working my way all the way down, section by section, so as to make sure I'm very detailed as to how this is layered. I do this instead of grabbing the whole section and in one cut just bringing it up and cutting it. Then the sides, the same thing. I go from the back of the top of the ear forward and I just take off the section there. You'll notice this is not touching the length, and I was able to establish that by the way I cut the back. Then I do the right side, same exact thing, and then I'm just kind of blending it out. Now I've removed a great deal of weight through the sides and the back, and then I have the classic layer on the top. Let me show you how I would start. Beginning with a nice oil, I'm going to take a section in the front, and the hair's dry at this point. I'm going to take a section in the front. I'm going to use a Ceramic Ionic brush with a retractable handle. The advantage to this is I can smooth it on through, put air through the brush. I'll leave a link to the brushes we use in the description section here afterwards. Then I blow hot air through it and start letting it cool. I take an entire section on each side from the back of the ear and forward, roll the whole thing forward, warm it up from inside out, let it cool, same thing, and on both sides. Now, because it's easier for me to do a horizontal approach initially in the back, I grab it horizontally and then switch it vertically and roll it in. And I do that again here, and finally here. I'd love it if you told me what you thought of this down in the comment section below. If you hit this with a like, I'd appreciate it, and share with anyone you'd like to. Have a great day.